Samsara nalalita loka tranaya karunya ghana ghanatvam praptasya kalyana gunarnavasyam vande guru shri charanaravindam Mahaprabhu ki tarutya geetam Vaditramarjan manasorasenam Romanchakam Shutaranga Bhajam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Shri Vigrahara Dhananityananam Shringaratan Mandiramachanadam Yuktasya Bhaktam Shaniyunjatopim Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Chaturvedashrim Bhagavad Prasad Swatannatriptam Haribhaktya Sangam Kritvaiva Triptim Bhajatat Sadaivam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Shri Radhika Madhavayorapayo Madhurya Leela Gunarupanam Pratikshana Swadhanalolupasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Pratikshana Swadhana, every moment relishing Bhakti, that happens only when we are hearing the Vāṇī of those who is relishing Bhakti. Otherwise, what relishment can this mind give to us? What relishment can this mind, which is already trapped and miserable, give to us? No. Relishment happens only when we are with the Vāṇī of those who are relishing. Being the association of who is relishing Bhakti for what it is. We may come up with the plans and everything. I will do this, I will do that, then I will feel good. No feeling good business here in this mind world. We think material world means, oh, somewhere else, Māyā, somewhere else outside. No. Material world means mind world. Māyā world means mind world. What pratikshana swadhana can happen with this mind? Zero. Only pratikshana dukkam will happen with this mind world. Pratikshana swadhana happens with the Bhagavata, not with the mind. Simple. So we be with Bhagavata, then pratikshana swadhana happens. Or do I have a choice here? Can I do something different? It ain't gonna happen the other way. No, 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 no. It's only a time waste. Again, no mix and match here. How much are you with the mind? So much dukkam you will have. How much you are with the Vāṇī of the Bhagavata? So much pratikshana asvadana you will have. Simple. Your choice. That's all. The whole bhajana kriya is about that. So Sadhguru is like is an auspicious, he's like a cloud, very merciful cloud, pouring down the waters of Krishna, especially the Krishna Katha. He makes things kullam. No confusion. No confusion. No trying business here. No confusion here. So, yeah. And Sadhguru is always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan in the Nama. Because he wants to be with Bhagavan. Bhagavan in Kali Yuga is in the Nama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Sadhguru is engaging the loving service of Sri Vigraha. Nama takes the form of Vigraha. Vigraha is not accessible without the Nama. And the Lord in the heart is also not accessible without Nama. Kachartam Vismritam Ratnam Harir Nama Eva Kevalam. The rescue is here, right here. Nam Bhagavan is here, right to bestow the mercy. Aho Dukkham, Aho Dukkham. Dukkha Dukkataram Yata. Yeah, the rescue is right here. The problem is here. The problem is right here, which is mind. And the rescue is right here too. Nama. So instead of being in the mind, we be with the Nama. Kachartam Vismritam Ratnam. We think Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Is also one of the sound waves, one of those mental waves. So many mental waves, mental words go on. And we think this is also one of those mental waves, mental words. No. This is a savior. Bhagavan. Nama. Yeah. So, in this way, the Bhagavata is always, every moment he is relishing Bhakti, Rasa Aswadana. Nikunjayo no Ratikeli Siddhai, Yayali Bir Yukti Rapekshaniya, Tatrati Daksha Tativallabhasya, Vande Guru Shri Charanaravindam. Sakshat Haritvena Samasta Shastrai, Yuktastada Bhavyatena Sadbhi, Kintu Prabhuya Priyaiva Tasya, Vande Guru Shri Charanaravindam. Yasya Prasadam Bhagavat Prasadam, Yasya Prasado Nagati Kutopi, Dhyayam Tuvam Tasya Yasya Trisandhyam, Vande Guru Shri Charanaravindam. Shri Guru is Radhika Presaki. He is Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. And mercy of Bhagavan is coming as mercy of Shri Guru. Why so much emphasis to Guru? Because we are in Māyā. Mind. Right? There is only one astra that can conquer this mind. Guru Sushrusha. Srimad Bhagavatam says that 4 Kumaras say that to Prithu Maharaj. Guru Sushrusha. That's the only astra that can conquer this mind. Mind is equal to Māyā. Is equal to Dukkham. Then how to get out of this? In the place of mind. Instead of holding on to the mind, we hold on to Guru. Guru is the only Shakti that can take us out of the mind, from the influence of the mind. That's why. Otherwise, it looks like Bhakti, but we are not doing Bhakti, because Bhakti should be Susukam. If it is not Susukam, it means we are with mind. If we are with Guru, then we are not with mind. The choice is mind or Guru. Like that. So, when we are with Guru, Bhagavata, then we are with Bhagavan. That's why so much emphasis on Guru. Emphasis on Guru means coming out of, holding on to Guru means coming out of the clutches of mind, Māyā. The only way to come out of the clutches of Māyā mind is to hold on to Guru. There's no other way. That's why. That's Guru Tattva, Sandhini Shakti. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma. So that's Tattva. From the Tattva comes the mellow. Oh, so Shri Guru. Yes. Holding on to the Vāṇī, to the lotus feet. And now the mellow is generated. This is the asvadana that we do every moment. This mellow. Oh, yes. Without this Sandhini Shakti, mercy and shelter of Sandhini Shakti, how will the bhakti happen? It will not. So that's the relishment that goes on.